What is up, everyone? It's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing rental guy. Today, I'm going to talk about PartyCAD. You may ask, what is PartyCAD? Remember when you were a kid and you were playing your most favorite game?
SimCity 2000.
Actually, it was probably Oregon Trail, but SimCity 2000, when you were playing your second favorite game, SimCity 2000, where you're building the cities and putting through the water lines. It's that game, except for party rentals and tents. So a CAD program is a program where you can design things in 3D. You can make blueprints so that people can wrap their head around what they're potentially buying or whatever. But in this case, it's all about tents. So there is a program called PartyCAD where you make 3D rendered models of tents.
Why is this important?
I'll tell you why it's important. All summer, I was doing COVID weddings. So I was doing tent packages that people had thought up for their backyards. And I walked around all last summer with my camera at each tent event that I did, and I made it into a nice little video, and it's all on my website in a neat little package where everyone can see it. And they're like, oh, you know, that looks so nice, I'll book that. But since I got PartyCAD, I can go one step further. So I can make a 3D rendering of these videos that I took during the summer of people's COVID parties, and then I can transfer them into a package that I'm using on my program Booqable, and then people can see the video, and then they can see the 3D CAD drawing, and then they can book it as a package instantly on my website. So everything that I've been doing is kind of just coming together now. So with
the CAD program, and then the video,
and then the website, and they all just
go together like that. And hopefully people will be like,
oh, that's a great idea for my COVID wedding next year.
Because we're going to have year 2 of COVID weddings. In backyards, it's all going to be the same. You heard it here first, unless someone else said it.
Lee, everyone's saying it.
But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so here's some clips of tent setups that I did this past summer. Okay, here's some CAD drawings of those tents that I did this summer. Here are my CAD drawings and my videos packaged together . So I suggest you go get PartyCAD, play around with it, and see what you can do. This is just where I'm starting, is with the COVID packages, and then I'm also going to be putting a link on my website saying, hey, like, let's get your custom drawings for you. I'm going to do custom CADs for people so that they can get bookings from it. How far are you willing to go to get that customer? And do you have fun designing this kind of stuff? Those are questions you should ask yourself, because if it's yes to both those questions, then I don't see a reason why you shouldn't be doing it. Go do it. Get the PartyCAD. If you enjoyed SimCity 2000 as a kid, you are going to love this. Come on now. If you make a CAD drawing for your client, do you think you're going to get more bookings? Do they want to see a CAD drawing of their event that you made for them? Like, are they going to go with you once you do that for them? I think so.